When assembling the base for an MH-270M or MH300DM, the steps are simple and easy, and the assembly processes for both models are virtually identical. For this particular video, we will be demonstrating with the assembly of a 300DM. The base is comprised of 4 major parts: a floor panel, 1 rear panel, 2 side panels, and 1 front panel that comes with a cabinet door. There is also an upper pan piece which can be screwed on after the saw head has been attached to the base. Step 1 in base assembly is to attach your side panels with the rear panel. You can do this by using the 12mm bolts and washers which came included with your saw. If you do not have these bolts, please contact a Cosen representative. Each panel should be attached together using 2 bolts, one on top and one on the bottom. Once you have attached the rear and side panels together, you can now insert your floor panel. Once completed, the front cabinet door panel can be added. After all the walls have been assembled around the floor, you can now secure them together using the 10mm bolt screws that came included with the assembly. The 3 screw holes can easily be located at the bottom of the front cabinet and rear panels. The base of the saw has now been assembled, and you can now lower the saw head onto the top. The easiest way of attaching the saw head is by using 2 steel bars and a forklift. Thread the bars through the holes on the side of the saw head, and then use the forklift to raise and lower the head from the pallet to the assembled base. Once properly aligned, the head can be secured to the base by using the 17mm bolts and washers that came with your saw. After adding and securing the rear pan, your saw is now completely assembled and ready for use.